Hey, what's up, Georgia here? I was going through my desk. I found these two pocket knives. This was like all steel, looked like a skeleton frame with a clip on the back. Then it has this other here. It looked like you be able to unlock it, lock it to do the blade. It also looked like you'd use that part to hook on the belt loop. I got this one. As you can tell, it's like half serrated with a thumb hole to open it. I just thought I might share it with y'all right quick. And if you're new, if you like my videos, please go ahead and start liking and subscribing. Thank you. Y'all have a good day.